Hi everyone, thank you for joining me again today. My name's Erin, and today we are just going to work through a 10-minute stretch that's going to make you feel really good. Okay, so we're going to start off in an easy seated position. Have your your hands on your knees if you want to feel more grounded, or you could have your palms facing up if you want to bring in a little bit more energy. So for me, I'm just going to have my hands on my knees. You can sit up tall, make sure your sit bones are on the mat, and you can take your gaze to the tip of your nose, or you can close your eyes, whichever works better for you. And we'll just start to focus in on our breath, and take your breath all the way down to your belly. Now you can extend your left hand out, extend the right arm up overhead, and then just take a gentle stretch over towards the left hand side. So you're getting a beautiful stretch through the right side of the body. You can breathe into this lovely stretch to create it here. Slide the shoulder blades down your back. Center and to the other side, so extend the right arm out, extend the left hand up overhead, and then stretch to the right hand side. And now we're creating the stretch through the left hand side of the body. If your legs aren't straight, if you need support under your knees, then please use them. Use a block or a cushion, whatever you need. And then you're going to sit up tall. Make sure that you've got your feet flexed, sit up tall, and then just allow yourself to fall forward. When you've reached your limit of as far as you're going to go with a nice straight spine, you can drop your head down. Again, make sure your feet are flexed. Both feet together, and now we're just going to have both feet straight out in front of us. Again, pull the sit bones out from underneath your butt. Sit up tall, and then just fall forward as far as you can go. You can use the block to support your head if you like. You don't need to do that. Then just allow yourself to fall forward. You can hold onto your feet and then gently pull yourself towards your toes. Lock your head. Look at your knees or your thighs or wherever you manage to pull yourself to. You don't want to be pulling too hard, but you do want to you want to get a bit of a stretch in the back area. This is actually a great stretch for the full body. Your chest, look up. You don't need to drop your neck back because that'll be too much on the neck. You can just look up towards the ceiling gently, but if that's too much on the neck, then just look forward. So you do what feels best for your body. And let's release that. You're going to come back into an easy seated position. Extend your arms up overhead. Take your right hand to your left knee. And then we're going to take our left hand behind us. We're going to sit up tall and we're going to have a twist. We're going to twist from our belly, through our chest and over, looking over our shoulder. And then we're going to come back to center. We're going to extend our arms up. This time we're going to take our left hand to our right knee and we're going to take our right hand behind us, sit up tall, and then just twist your, from your belly through the chest, and then last thing, twist to turn your neck so you can look behind you, over your right shoulder. Breathe into this lovely center. I'm just going to come back to it facing the camera. So extend your right hand out and then pull your left hand towards you. Sorry, you extend the right hand out and then with your left hand pull your fingers towards you like that. So you're getting a nice stretch through the arm. And then turn the hand around. Have the palm facing towards you and then pull your hand towards the arm itself. Okay, shake that hand out. This is really good if you spend a lot of time on the computer. So we're going to take the left arm out, extend it out at shoulder height, have the palm facing away from you, and take your right hand and pull your fingers towards you. Breathe into this beautiful stretch you're creating here. And then release that. Bring the right hand, take the palm facing towards you and pull your fingers in. Arms nice and straight. And you can release that. Let's shake out both arms. You can take your right thumb on the right hand and just pull it in towards you. I'm sure many of us did this as kids, you can see. And shake that out. Give it a really good shake. And then we're going to do it on the left hand. So take your left hand, bring it towards your wrist. You may notice there's a difference on one side of the body to the other. And release that, shake that out, and that's it. Thank you for joining me again today. We can take our hands up overhead, into a prayer position, through our forehead and to our heart. The inner light in me bows and honors to the inner light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to these videos.